The man accused of murdering 3 people in their Foothills home was back in court today.
Ada Dees declined to enter a plea, so the judge entered a not guilty plea for him. Denny Hawkins explains what comes next in this case. She's live in the newsroom.
Well, Brent, because Dees chose not to enter a plea in court this morning, as you said, the judge entered it for him. So under Idaho law, prosecutors now have 60 days to decide whether they'll pursue the death penalty in this case. The clock is ticking for prosecutors to decide whether to pursue the death penalty against Ada Dees. Dees is accused of killing Theodore, Elaine, and their son Thomas Welp in their home in the Foothills back in March. He's charged with 3 counts of first-degree murder and also faces several counts of robbery, burglary, and use of a stolen credit card.
The first case we call this morning is State of Idaho versus Adam Michael Dees.
In court Thursday for a plea hearing, Dees stayed silent, his attorney choosing not to enter a plea.
We're actually going to stand silent today, please.
The defendant is standing silent and not entering a plea. Therefore, the court will enter a not guilty plea on the defendant's behalf.
By Idaho law, now that a plea has been entered, prosecutors have 60 days to decide whether to pursue the death penalty in this case. The law says the prosecuting attorneys must then file a written notice with the court and also notify Dees or his attorney anytime within that 60-day period. The trial is set for September 29th.
I think it would take probably 6 to 8 weeks with the death penalty.
The judge has blocked out 8 weeks for the trial, but says that time period could be extended. Now, Dees is still being held at the Ada County Jail. He is being held there without bond. Coming up at 5:30, I'll have more on what factors both defense attorneys and prosecutors look at when deciding to pursue this death penalty.